When you start your day trading Emini futures, does your chart look like this? Basically a blank screen with no indication of where prices are going to trade? This is November 3rd, just before the market opens, and prices are meandering for the overnight session. You have no idea where prices are going to trade. Wouldn't you rather have an indication or knowledge where prices are likely to trade? Here's what my students see when they open their Emini trading charts. Students enrolled in my Emini trading course have the advantage of knowing the likely area where the market is going to trade, and they can draw out a trading zone with a support and resistance area and indications of where the market is likely to trade throughout the day. Isn't this better than a blank screen? Oh, but how accurate is this information? Well, let's look back a few days and you can judge for yourself. Each evening I send this information to my students. And let's see, here's yesterday's chart. Here's yesterday. The market opened down here. Here was the trading zone that my students had knowledge of prior to the market open. The market traded well inside that zone. Let's look at a previous day. Here's the day before. Market opened up here. Here was the trading zone that my students had knowledge of. Here was the market opening. Where did the market trade? Well inside the trading zone. And this goes back on and on and on. And you can get these numbers yourself when you simply enroll in my Emini trading course. I'll send you these numbers the night before with the areas that you can mark on your chart where the market is likely to trade that day. Isn't that better than that blank screen? And they give you a really good indication of where the market is likely to trade on any given day. So today is November 3rd, and I want to caution you, the economic calendar indicates that at 2 p.m., the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will make a statement on the Fed's bond buying program. I suggest you not be trading 2 p.m. There's going to be a wide swing in prices. You could lose money very fast. You could make money very fast, but why risk it? This is Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar. Enroll in my trading course. You'll get these numbers each evening. You'll be able to see the likely areas where the market is going to trade, those target areas, and set yourself out for a more profitable trading day. Thanks for watching. Be safe. See you in my next video.